Alright, mama kwaba ediba Emadek TV. So nyame enhira mo se mo koso subscribe to your YouTube channel na more subscribe na more comment. Say mo ni ho a yenso ye ni ho. Nyame enhira mo bebre. We've gone through a lot of our problems and answer issues recently, but nyame adom ya sansu gina ye na so ana mo amode boy ene ehwa mo hwe videos na more recommend the videos that them amanfo na mo subscribe enti na yeguso aye adwum omo so asemedi dwumadi ebron samji casual fashion clinic omo so asemedi dwumadi ebro Emadek multimedia enso ebo ye chidom emedi dwumadi ede ebro me director ogina camera chi a o director e control me ede dwumadi ebro director Emeka ono na ogina camera chi dudo na friend Collins but Emeka no na popular man for a different and then nyame adom yaba bedru takrade na say anke ba be nyima bebre water but one or two issues being tin yentumi nya nyama was say water crowd na was say yetimi but ibedru takrade no yaba be nya one of the smartest guy in takrade and in Ghana mpomeka say recently see our Ghana one of the smartest kid ewo Ghana no yaba abehia no aye no eba ba etwe enkomo a enya sent nti yaba takrade de na yebekọ mfante enti yaba tadi yaba beju tadi nso na yaba yendim nti yereba be interview and yebeju nso yatete nsema yenwu de there's this guy our takrade baby of the efia and he's a very smart guy onimade na adwuma boy and we can't come to takrade na yenkesa yenye mopede ye yintuma anya no order yekọ na before that no end day Father's Day me wish you fathers happy Father's Day bibiara ewo awo ba papa ehwe wo bibiara no Nyankopon onhira na oma wa hode na enkodo na ntumi hwe omba na American Day na me remfree me daddy and then papa owo Mr. Asian I did too much without you and kebe yenju baby yeju no nyame oma wa hode omo ho ban na onso muye another father bi o mesanso a wishing no oye me uncle Mr. Buadi ono so nyame na dom oye father of all waboa papa waboa bibiara oben ni bia waboa no. There's one man that I cannot wish Father's Day without mentioning his name, and that is Uncle Joe e batakra de fia Uncle Joe drugstore eho na owo Uncle Joe why de papa way back me secondary school or support him too much and he's still helping us when you some kid Uncle Joe when you happy Father's Day. Like I said yaba bejuta di and we are with the smartest guy I can say currently or the smartest guy or Ghana says yala. I mean, didn't mean do the friend ya Amingo, but you have more bonidi. Amingo and I mean do the fro. Okay, Aquaba.
Yeah.
See, we have a call. Amingo, like Abidin now the fro, like who didn't cassa or the fro among funny before then.
Nanankuma.
Before Nanankuma. Okay, it's Amingo need your nickname.
Aye.
Enemy corner father Dinya Amingo na one of the mouth.
Papa na the two.
Papa no de Amingo and the two.
Aye.
Alright, nti Amingo Echo school. Abi school na Echo. Kingsbury. Or in them.
Apremdo.
Oh, Apremdo.
After barracks,
okay. Nti Ejan.
Ejina form 1.
JSS1.
Aye.
Oh, okay. JSS1. Na Amingo pinya na da ya bafaba. Like mpede Ghana for Russia wo pedo hu there Amingo na ya ne rekesa no pinya na ndo ya bafaba
ya bafaba
enye mfian
enye 13
years. Wow. Okay. Amingo you need that takrade na ewo and we know that you're a very smart guy. Since here Oman Ghana a lot of people are going to school and they also a school ababotane this we need do epede ewe school abedna pede
I want to achieve my goals and succeed in life.
All right.
And I want to be a PNO.
A PNO. Abadini PNO no.
Principal nursing officer.
Nti principal nursing officer no work on school and dey be then abe then principal nursing officer no.
Abako nursing.
Okay.
Ewe na trader coin akọ school when bio.
Okay.
Na sanso abetuedo.
Okay.
Nti say them PNO no say doctor ni wa.
Okay.
I only in charge.
The doctor ni wa only in charge. Nti dentina say doctor ni wa only in charge. Dentina enko na emeye doctor prekuna them principal nursing officer na epe.
Oyin bibia just them after dada.
After the dada. We need sido.
Aye.
Bibia so ntimi sesa wa adwen. Mati de was in Emadek pa. How true is that?
I no call.
Oye no kwade ni made.
I no call.
Pa. Nti ekwan bendo na how like who secret ne then it's like edge we who did ni made who secret on then.
Me say pere unwada. Okay. Ada by 4 o'clock. Na so news I refresh your brain and send out to school.
All right.
Nti mo be che bia better say.
Okay.
And then so we repeat as my working last day na. I will bet mama on sado na aka.
Okay. Oh, all right. Nti na che dey suade enyibu na homachi na ara.
Aye.
Okay. Na edantem so an.
Me dantem.
Not there was edapa. Edapa me boa.
Me da.
All right, nti like tidy near one yene amingo ankuma na nankuma na eguda yen yeretwen komo no ye ba takrade nyema weda anka etimi yene yentimi anye but ye bedua ya ate there say there's this guy owo afia oye very smart onimade. I think they na hu be hia de ode yetwen komo na me kai on there Samji casual fashion design na Wariso Yansime di media de bro na Emadek multimedia wonso Wariso bi amingo me buy na before answer be kese me hu de agi me phone no ebisam da be phone am so oya Infinix Note 10 e hona na se me mfemo akwa me hu de e settings papa na ko bebi abade na ye wo me phone do
me hwe ne specs
abade ne specs
aye
now what can specs abade ne specs
specs nanga so classify about RAM, CPU, okay. ROM na bibiala or phone ecosystem system update another about phone or settings wo.
I'm missing me phone ya Infinix Note 10. It is I saw me phone ya cost specs. Me phone o papa na ndo anya papa.
O papa. Aye.
Inti me nkodo ya mi use
Aye, papa Sunday RAM near 4. Okay. Na ROM no so 64. Na CPU ya 2.3 to 2.5.
Mami so asemo am de ma de ebubu yin na ma tidin no. Am so me nim o ya ankesa. Abade ne RAM.
RAM is a device that stores information or data temporary.
Or store information temporary. Nti mentase nti like information temporary then there like me good am browser na bia like air browser na dey bia application ebu no ono no nejuma oli yin na no ye RAM no na oli
RAM no ngosa say mfane asi say bochu gamer ogina RAM no do ogina ROM na CPU so no do like Call of Duty de ojan 131 nti senya ma game no hwehwa enti mumbo
nti checking me RAM no or you okay na abadi ni room no so
ROM is a device that stores
room no it's room na and the room them
ROM no fane or mobile phone my or a device or mobile phone ROM
okay on abadi no
ROM is a device that stores information permanently
nti RAM no temporary in a room near permanent. Okay, inti bibi today into room no abade na inti mami so asemo inti na chede room no se bibi gu room no da oya den de obepepa easily
because ni definition ya permanent inti obe den de obepepa
na CPU so oya abede
CPU anoboa RAM na ROM
okay
fene se epede twigema asema me kan se epede twigema obuoma ebo game
na chede CPU no why the graphics be them
even separate Call of Duty na RAM ni 2
okay
na wo ROM no so 82 na wo CPU 1.3 intimumbo just say 1.5 1.8 2.0 na deroko to boa RAM and ROM
it seems there enim compete mu kakra na de me bay me who there a Jimmy phone mpo a bought some equation how to solve I think linear equation now the way all formula need no the way a display formula no now or a different kakra because me who there used to me call online me who there the same formula na guy be used no online no also a used to be on there not question no yeah I think that 5x plus 4 and now it's called to 8x plus no the 8x minus 8 nti me hu there meyen there at the 5x 5x nas no esan so betray minus 5s plus 4
plus 8
minus s plus 4 na esan so at the core nichi no ho esan so koye I think there 8 koye I think there 5x 8x nas no be 5 plus 5x bi wo ho at the no x and I sound to the core now, I think the minus s na sound to the core and the core no no plus 8 into corner or core plus y day na corner so into there at the end of the day in 8 na ko dan kan a switch one no a cancel into a cancel na nature there aba benya 3x
equals to 4
yes 3x is equal to 12x and ebe 3x is equal to 4
12 over 3 equals to 3x over 3.
Okay.
It's a con left there. 3 be cancel on itself. 1 is be cancel on itself. 1.
Nenya.
Now right side is be cancel on itself. Now 3 na cancel 12 on 4.
4. Nenya x is equal to
4.
Inti amigo. So far, Elusiade and I think that you are brilliant in Emadek. Aba enyam like epede eku wenim ekoye de medjuma na de nyina ehiamwa there like Ghana for one support to ibia say obi rehwe na wo how brilliant you are opede wo support wa aba de na epede obi betim de wa ode abo
pede mission de na me komeni
okay
na me ni papa
okay
for future nti our abo no ombo
okay nti obi pede obo abede mpa na ebe pede anka nipa na omfa mbo
so betim aboa obi orehwe mo education mu dia medanasi
all right sisi apopi na ade na worehwe o but say bi obi nipa no betim won so wayemboa bia in terms of
university and the secondary
yeah bibiara won so ebe danasi pa all right nti amigo yemra Ghana kakra obana bakwasem a Ghana mpinfo na ade no ebetum abo ebia nkofo we bi di omanpanyin wo Ghana ebia ebetum abo be de 3 and 4 wondina
ai
nti ebetum
na Kufuado dankwa
ono ye the current president
John Mahama
okay
na Rawlings
okay nti ebetum abo bi ma
na Atamos
oh okay nti epeda ye doctor principal nursing officer. Naturally, principal nursing officer no university equivalent yeah one way or the other like why they equivalent to doctor. Nti doctor ni wa awana why. Okay, so Amingo ena yen kesa no nidi oye nanankuma takrade no he's a very brilliant chap actually because say Ghana CCR oye then like there are a lot of nkofo a ehia and there are a lot of more format there Amingo ehia even when they take your phone, hardly, I mean, take your phone about common, okay? But hardly would they be able to say, okay, let me go to the settings and check about nipan on the phone, specs, na me with the phone or you good and on you good. And you see, when he's looking for phone on the spec or share setting, and then you know, I saw him tapping something, and when I now why also RAM ne you go, okay, so influence no tell you also okay, phone yeah normal or a guy, oh Charlie. Now, in fact, I'm a meeting my medal. But if I saw that to be a smart move, yes, I saw that to be a smart because I've been using Android phone I think since 2012, and from that time, almost every year I change my phone. And trust me, there are certain things in the Android phone now. Even when you meet someone or in a dream or you're not being dream when it's kind of no, they won't be able to do it. But the way this boy will use a hotspot to connect. Other phones and those stuffs, and even when I came, I told him them pedameshe ball. Oh, he told me though I shouldn't waste my time. He has an application now. You between the shebon online, and trust me, papa na boy na we boy ball football yalishan live and net that match you yalishan live. How many of these skills are between my demand no? And the way he even explained the RAM and the ROM, their differences, what they each of them does to the phone now, I don't know, naturally or a brilliant move. Amigo, ne papa na ne mami nyina what I say, okay? When we what I say, what support no what buano, 13 years boy, he's in GHS 1 or local school, he's a very brilliant guy. But Charlie, I mean, I believe that we need to support the youth. Inti baby one hour brochi, 1 hour Ghana head day. Say wopede was support Amingo ubetum was support no. Ne mama na ne papa otase wo de boano, but what's it ensamafumpo wopedodo. And say Amingo what ye make say out laptop bi na dia man out phone bi na, because I don't think that one ankasa ne personal phone. I don't think that one ankasa ne laptop. Nti se bibi dem na dia man no phone na dia man na obeboan mo no so wetim wesua de. Amingo yemfa nde say obi a hwe interview no pede o support o pede o bo bibia aba number na nipa no betima send this kana we go do
ebetim wa send is kana go ankasa odin so benyan wo so channel
debi ame obetum but mpede nipa na ankasa on wo kase bo opede wankasa on wo kasa o send this kana there ni scan ankasa we be si Amingo ne do enwa na so etumi de nipa na se de chele me da wase nyankopon hira ma aya am enwa yeah nti like ebetumi nya number bia nipa obetumi afre we si do
0544
54 0875 Bobon biem
0544 540875.
All right, so Amingo ni number no go screen no do no enti ne mama number right enti like nti abedi no beba
Juliet Sando.
Okay, ti send the scan e be hu Juliet Sando enti afra epede na Amingo kesa ebetuma and baby ala wo epede support Amingo anande bia epede man scholarship na otumi odu konenim no, because trust me, whoever that will try to support this boy, invest in this boy, hey, like I don't know how to describe this guy. He's a very brilliant chap. Onimadie like ushan one-on-one they otumi say na dwuma do you twin can say me bro phone you so ba I mean how do you call it a video so ba ushia na otumi say na dwuma do. He's a very brilliant guy. Okay, so what be between I be into me and fan support so Amingo now the mama na ne papa tase or buano or no na day, but I think that he deserved more. He deserved that encouragement and that support. Nyankopon sham se mokoso ana mo hwe Emadek TV me ka de takwade ne yaba so de ne yaba na ode itumi ne Amingo ye kesa. Okay, ye bata de ne yaba yendim mo esibia ye besan so yakọ ye besan back to takwade biem, because there are a lot of no de ye no tade de ba yentum yanye enti ya be di na chede ye nkese pi ye na Amingo akese wie no ye be ja no na ye so yetumi atue ya kontudo ye besan ababi Amingo nyame sure dem fro ebe say bi nyame bonnet nkom ne wu ye besan so na shebim ati. All right, so I will keep learning, okay, and I believe the BB abe fine enwa. All right, so Emadek TV la America on the one hour boy me the bro Emadek multimedia and Sam G casual fashion design once on our boy and obutu sunyane one numbers no go screen do no bibia pe oya atade wedding engagement atade bia pe da share na de ko party program pe de prescribe a particular costume be the man the be ko programs na there e betum afre Sam G na wababa de madman na ode ama yeda wan say bye bye.